How to register for online banking on HSBC Bank UK. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, we will learn how we can open up HSBC bank account online, which is to register for online banking, not necessarily open up the bank account itself. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to register for online banking so that you can make transactions online, you first want to make sure that you already have an existing account on the HSBC Bank UK, because if you don't have an existing bank account, you will not be able to create an account in itself. So all you have to do is just open up your browser on your Windows PC, your iPad, or whatever else you have. As long as you open up your browser, you want to simply come to this URL, of which I'll also make sure to drop a link, which is hsbc.co.uk. So you want to come to hsbc.co.uk. As I said, I'll make sure to drop a link down below. As we come to hsbc.co.uk, you will see all this sorts of interface, where on the top right hand side, if you look closely, you'll find the option called log on. So if you already do have online banking, you can click on the log on option. But if you do not have, then you'll find another option called register, right? You just want to click on this register option. Once you go to the option called register, you'll basically see all this sorts of interface over here. It says to register for digital banking. So one way you can do is mobile banking app. So the quicker and easiest way to register for our digital banking is by downloading our application. You can go ahead and do that if you want, or else you can actually go ahead and then register on a desktop device, which we are going to do right now. So just click on the option called register now over here. Once you click on the option called register now, it'll ask for some other details. Now there are just a few short steps to complete registered for digital banking. Just click on the continue button. First things first, just agree to the terms and conditions over here. Make sure that you read all of this, and make sure that after you read this over here, you have to agree to it. After you read this, I'm going to basically cross this out, and then only this option is going to be enabled, and then just hit the continue option over here. And then once you've done that, the next thing is to choose a verification method, such as your sort code or your account number of your bank account, or your credit card number, or your Invest Direct account number, or PIMS account number. And as I said before, that you need to have your HSBC existing bank account in order to create online banking account. Now once you select any of the verification method, in this case I'll just select my sort code and account number. I'll just go ahead and then click on the continue button. Then you have to simply enter the sort code, which is of course your 6 digits, as well as your account number, which is obviously 8 digits, your date of birth, your month, your year, as well as a telephone security number, digit 1, digit 4, and digit 6. As you can see, you want to be careful on this. And then you can also see what is a telephone banking, or you can select the option called use another option, and then you can try to go ahead and then verify with your credit card number, and then click on continue, and then follow the instructions accordingly. Once you've done that, you should be able to successfully create your identity and your username and password for your online banking HSBC account. That's all it takes to make an online account for HSBC Bank Account UK. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.